If you are looking for the best dashcam for Uber drivers, you have to watch this video. After testing 27 different dashcams used by rideshare drivers, we are now going to tell you what are the best 5 on the market. All the links to the products reviewed are in the description, so make sure to check them out to see the most updated prices. Remember, our recommendations are not in a particular order, so watch till the end to ensure you don't miss anything. And now, let's dive in. First on our list is the PRUVEEO D90. As an Uber driver, you'll appreciate this dashcam's capability of recording HD videos from front, left, right, and rear. The 150-degree super wide-angle lens and the 3-inch LCD screen ensure you have extremely sharp footage even when driving fast, while the 2 adjustable cabin cameras allow you to record opposite directions, ensuring you're secure from all angles. This dashcam also has an integrated GPS to help you track your vehicle's location, speed, time, and route in real time. This advanced feature makes it easy for you to check your path trajectory and pinpoint the exact details of any incidents that may occur on the road, which will be helpful during insurance claims or roadside assistance. Nighttime driving is typical for Uber drivers, and the PRUVEEO D90's night vision is simply outstanding. The f1.8 aperture and 4 infrared lights provide clear recordings in low light conditions. The advanced night vision image sensor integrated into the 3 cameras ensures you get splendid footage even in complete darkness, protecting you at all hours. Additionally, thanks to the PRUVEEO's loop recording feature, you don't need to worry about constantly emptying your memory card. Once the card reaches storage capacity, the oldest unlocked footage will be overwritten automatically. To summarize, the PRUVEEO D90 offers you the essential features for worry-free driving as an Uber driver. You'll find the Quad HD video capture, precise GPS tracking, superior night vision, and reliable loop recording invaluable in documenting your rides and protecting yourself. It's a worthwhile investment for any driver who wants to have a confident and secure driving experience. To know the most up-to-date price of the PRUVEEO D90, check out the links in the video description. The next contender on our list is the Vantrue N4 Pro. With this dashcam, you'll experience stunning 4K video quality in all recording options, thanks to the cutting-edge Sony Starvis 2 IMX678 sensor. As an Uber driver, capturing clear and detailed footage of the road ahead and inside your car is crucial. Count on the 4K and 1080p triple car cameras to provide valuable evidence in case of accidents or disputes. Low light situations can't stop the N4 Pro from recording high-quality footage. The advanced Sony Starvis 2 image sensor offers superior low-light performance compared to the standard Starvis, ensuring sharp and accurate recordings even at night. Combined with 4K HDR technology, you'll enjoy the best possible night shots to help you keep your passengers and vehicle safe. Setting the N4 Pro apart from other dashcams on the market is the OTA firmware update, giving you access to improved performance and updated features. The always-on 5 GHz Wi-Fi allows easy access to, sharing, and saving recording videos via the Vantrue app. Lastly, thanks to the 4 available parking modes, protecting your car 24/7 is a breeze. You can optimize the recording area, activate the buffered motion detection feature, and use the full event recording feature to capture 10 seconds before and 30 seconds after any motion is detected. In conclusion, as an Uber driver, having the Vantrue N4 Pro is an excellent investment to ensure your safety and the safety of your passengers. The next-gen 4K video quality, advanced low-light performance, seamless connectivity, GPS, and innovative parking mode security make this dashcam a reliable and essential tool for your daily driving needs. If you want to know the most up-to-date price of the Vantrue N4 Pro, check out the links below. Third on our list is the AZDOME M550. This dashcam is perfect for rideshare drivers thanks to its ability to deliver high-quality footage at an impressive resolution on all 3 channels. Expect razor-sharp image quality from the front, rear, and inside camera. This wide coverage ensures you'll have a clear view of incidents both inside and outside your vehicle, providing reliable evidence for any possible disputes. The built-in Wi-Fi allows easy connection between the dash cam and the AZDOME app on your iOS or Android smartphone. This seamless integration means you can effortlessly manage, download, and playback recordings from the dashcam and share your travel experiences with family and friends without any hassle. The AZDOME M550 truly has your vehicle's security in mind, even when you're not driving. The 24-hour parking monitor has 3 modes ensuring comprehensive protection. The first is collision detection, which locks video footage in the event of an impact. The second is time-lapse, which records continuous footage over a 24-hour period. The last one is motion detection, which automatically starts recording when movement is sensed near your vehicle. Lastly, this dashcam can capture and log valuable driving data such as speed, route, latitude, and longitude. This information provides helpful evidence in case of emergencies or disputes and offers insights into your driving habits. To sum it up, the AZDOME M550 is an excellent choice for Uber drivers looking for a comprehensive, feature-packed, and reliable dashcam system. It delivers high-quality footage, seamless mobile app integration, and robust parking monitoring features. The built-in GPS adds valuable evidence and insights, enhancing the overall safety of your vehicle. With these features, you can confidently navigate the roads, knowing you have reliable support and evidence if needed. Remember, if you're interested in updated pricing on any of the items mentioned, be sure to check out the links below. Prices on these products change almost daily, so if you want to find the most updated information, take a look at the video description. Next up is the Vantrue E3. This dashcam offers a 3-channel recording system, capturing your vehicle's front, cabin, and rear, giving you peace of mind in traffic disputes or fraud attempts. Driving at night can be challenging, especially when it comes to capturing clear video footage. The interior-facing camera of the Vantrue E3 has 4 infrared LED lights, making it easier to capture the driver and passengers in low-light situations. Equipped with HDR technology and upgraded Starvis image sensors in the front camera, this dashcam automatically balances light and dark areas, ensuring clear videos even in poor lighting conditions. It's a great choice for those who drive at night often. Fast and easy access to your dashcam footage is essential, and the Vantrue E3 has you covered with its inbuilt 2-band Wi-Fi. You can directly live view, configure, browse, download, and share your videos on social media via the Vantrue free app. The included GPS module accurately records your driving route, location, and speed in real time. Plus, you can view the GPS information on Google Maps via the Vantrue player and app without needing a subscription. Lastly, thanks to the Vantrue E3 dashcam's hand-free voice control feature, you can easily capture videos, take pictures, start recording, and adjust settings without taking your eyes off the road. The dashcam supports multiple basic voice commands in English, Japanese, Russian, and Chinese. Additionally, the wireless controller lets you effortlessly capture stunning scenery and quick-lock emergency videos, making your driving experience both safe and convenient. In conclusion, the Vantrue E3 offers a comprehensive 3-channel recording system, advanced night vision, integrated Wi-Fi, GPS, voice control, and remote operation. These features are essential for Uber drivers, ensuring maximum safety and giving you peace of mind while doing your job. Last but not least, we have the OMBAR M572. This dashcam's front and rear cameras record simultaneously in various resolutions, including 4K, 2K, and 1080p, giving you a 170-degree front view and a 150-degree rear view. Additionally, the built-in 5G dual-band Wi-Fi allows for faster transfer speeds, making it easy to connect your smartphone to the dashcam. Simply download the free OnCam app, and you can easily control, view, or share your videos. However, It's essential to note that the Wi-Fi is not for remote viewing, as the effective range is about 25 feet. The OMBAR M572's G-sensor technology can detect collisions and automatically lock the relevant files to prevent them from being overwritten, while the built-in supercapacitor ensures that the dashcam can withstand extreme temperatures, meaning it consistently works throughout long shifts, protecting you as a reliable accident witness. With 2 parking modes, this dashcam offers 24/7 protection for Uber drivers. The time-lapse parking mode records at 1 frame per second to conserve storage space, while the collision detection mode automatically records a brief video if collision is detected. In summary, if you are an Uber driver, the OMBAR M572 is a reliable and essential tool, offering high-resolution recordings, versatile connectivity, and reliable accident witness features. It provides complete protection during rides and even when parked. However, you must remember that it needs to be connected to the cigarette lighter port for power, and the Wi-Fi does not support remote viewing. With a 12-month warranty, you can confidently invest in this dashcam for your peace of mind and safety on the road. So that's it. These were the 5 best dashcams for Uber drivers currently on the market. So if you enjoyed this video, please give it a like and check out the description to find the most up-to-date pricing on all the products mentioned.